Hi, so today I'm joined with Sergey, and today's topic is how to optimize better for all query fan out searches. So obviously it's moved away now from kind of a keyword kind of optimization to now being making certain you're trying to cover the whole topic, especially now that they're doing query fan out. So Sergey, how do you optimize better for all query fan out queries?
I think you need to do analysis of query intent, query frame, query intent. So you don't start with the keywords. You start with what kind of problem you're trying to solve for your end user of the content, and then you build your content around it. So if you if you write in a review, you need to explain what the product is, how it helps with XYZ, how to use it. So all potential fan out queries that might be relevant to your specific customer.
Is there any specific like attributes or predicates that you should be looking for to cover, or is it literally trying to cover every single attribute and predicate to the main entity or the main topic of the page?
I would say it's the most important ones. So it's classic semantic SEO career style approach. So you analyze what's the most relevant to a specific product. You can do it by checking SRPs, seeing what's ranking in Google. There are multiple tools that can help you with that. But the challenge is how precise you are with your approximation, what entities, what attributes are the most important ones. But you should always start with one thing that makes sense, and then you can kind of like as you move along with time, you can update it and see whatever works better.
Yeah, so if you're trying to optimize better for the query fan out queries, then does the query fan out searches, let's say Perplexity or ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, do they all vary with what kind of query fan out is shown on each LLM, or are they all generally the same?
I think they vary slightly. I think the mechanism behind creating those queries is similar. But yeah, like uh, if you're gonna optimize for the meaning, like what's the meaning behind a specific query, you're gonna cross all of those things for every LLM that's on the market right now.
Yeah, so obviously, if you're trying to expand for all the different queries, the is there a way of knowing which kind of queries show up? Is there normally two? Is there five? Is it the more complex the kind of searches that the more query fan out queries would then being performed or not?
Yes, the more complex, the more ambiguous the topic is, the more final query you're gonna have because the engine LLM doesn't understand what exactly you're trying to achieve. And again, it all depends on uh, source context as well. Like if you have a history in your chat and it knows a lot about you, and you asking it, depending on your on the context of on your context window, you're gonna see a higher number of fan out queries as well.
So I'm presuming nowadays semantic SEO or longer form content is ranking better for the LLMs because it's covering more attributes and questions and facets and stuff like that of what it is. Is it? Are you finding that longer form content does better for ranking in LLMs, or are you trying to be very concise and try and answer a specific query? Like what's working better nowadays?
That's a major problem, and that's what I had with my websites when I had huge articles and they didn't rank. So the key is to mention as enough for LLM or for Google to understand that you know the topic, so you cover just enough and not too much where you start drifting into unrelated entities and unrelated topics. So just you need to make sure how, you need to figure out how to stay in your lane, so to speak. Like if you're gonna go a little bit further down where you're not gonna cover enough, that's a negative signal. How to do it properly? That's another question. It's difficult to figure out. Like we don't know what kind of logic LLM uses. I've been trying to kind of break it and figure out how to create a content like that, but there are many different theories on how to approach it.
Yeah, so if anyone is watching this and you're looking to optimize for query fan out terms, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know what's working today or what you think might be working next week. It's important to try to always be elevating on the knowledge and stuff like that as things are progressing. So I'd love to hear your kind of comments in the comment section with what are you doing to optimize for query fan out terms. Thank you very much, Sergey.
Thank you.